Nano Babo Kabalen, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie.
My name is Marco Nanan of we're in Pampanga, where we discover great places for you to check out.
Ayun guys, for today's vlog, we are back for the second time dito po sa Mac Saefoods Restaurant. So previously, na-feature natin to. Sobrang dami ng mga sinerve nila sa atin. Mostly steak.
Yes, steak,
Wings,
unlimited
diba?
meals.
Oh.
Ngayon naman, they upgrade. Meron na silang seafood.
Yun guys, so if you wanna know more about kung anong mga sineserve nila dito, samahan niyo po kami.
So tara, let's go! Seafood, $7.99 lang. Alright. Salted egg, butter spicy, sweet garlic, and spicy Cajun.
Save 400 pesos.
Pwede, tara.
Ayun, so again guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa Mac Saefoods and we were invited for the second time. They still have yung unlimited mga steaks natin. Yeah, they still have yung milk tea natin, which where they actually started, and now
Meron tayo dito yung kanilang unlimited wings muna. So for only 279 pesos, unlimited wings, unlimited salad, unlimited gravy, and unlimited pasta. So kung gusto naman yung unlimited steak for only 599 pesos, so inclusion nun, unlimited steak, syempre Hungarian sausage, mga veggies, and iced tea. Yung pinakahihintay natin yung kanilang seafood.
yun. Ito yung mga additional sa mga bago sa menu.
Yeah, so for our seafood, meron tayong 4 flavors. So meron tayong salted egg, butter garlic spicy, sweet garlic spicy, and Cajun spicy. And this platter is only for 799 pesos. Good for siguro mga 3 to 4.
Actually.
Depende, pero tingnan mo naman, no?
Look at that.
And syempre, yung hindi rin mawawala yung mga a la carte natin. So meron tayong mga sisig.
Correct.
Meron tayong stuffed pusit,
Uh-huh.
mga seafood, and
This is
baby
ribs.
back ribs.
Whoa!
Next thing to do, let's taste it.
Let's go! So ayun guys, again this is our table. Mac Saefoods is actually located dito sa second floor ng Pasbul Arcade.
Yes. Along MacArthur Highway lang.
Yes.
So, ang pinaka-landmark lang natin. Tapat lang siya ni
Wilson Tree Bank. Ayan. Yung mga seafood restaurant dito sa San Fernando, particularly Pampanga, dumadami.
At least dumadami yung mga options natin kung saan tayo pwedeng kumain ng mga seafood dito sa Pampanga. Ayan.
Wow. Sisig Kapampangan, promise. Solid. Sisig Kapampangan nyo. Ayan. So next to taste naman natin is yung kanilang salted egg na seafood platter. Also, I have to comment, no? Yung mga shrimp nila dito
Malalaki.
large in size. Ayan, no? So as soon as you go here and order ka ng seafood, meron tayong aquarium ng dito, live crabs.
Yes.
So they're gonna get it there.
Yung accumulated natin weight dito sa may platter natin, it's around 1 kilo to 1.2 kilo.
1.2 kilograms all
For
in all.
only 799 pesos.
Yes.
Kung apat kayo, parang tigta 200 pesos kayo, makakain na kayo ng seafood.
Ano? So they have been running for a long time sa industry dahil dito sa steak na to.
Yes. Wow! You know?
So imagine having this dish unlimited.
Unlimited for only 599
Until
pesos.
you drop. Ako kunin ko to, no? Hati na lang tayo dito. Ayan. That steak.
So dito talaga ma-enjoy mo yung pagkain mo.
Wow.
Kasi marami kang option eh. Pwede kang mag-unlimited steak, pwede kang mag-seafood, pwede ka rin mag-unlimited wings. Depende sa budget na meron ka. And depende sa appetite mo. So, available din pala dito guys yung mga bottled vinegar nila.
So this is their very own dip. Ayan. So kung nagustuhan mo yung sausawan nila dito, you can actually buy them in this package. Ayan guys, baked mussels.
Okay.
Yan ha? Juicy. So juicy. Oh wow. Baby talaga siya. Ayan oh. Look at the tendon. Baby backs. Alright, so ayun nga guys, isa na namang makabuluhan na discovery nakita natin ngayon, brother.
Yeah, so if you want to dine for unlimited steak, unlimited wings, and additional, may seafood na rin sila.
Yes.
So visit dito sa Mac Saefoods Restaurant, located dito sa may MacArthur Highway along Saguin Road. Pinaka-landmark lang naman nila is yung katapat lang siya ni Wilson Tribang. And they are open from 10 a.m. until 10 p.m. Monday to Sunday.
Alright, there you have it guys. If you like the food you saw in this video, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, at pag sinare nyo po, tag nyo pong We're in Pampanga.
Alright, so that's it. Thank you for watching We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery. Peace out.
Bye guys.